So open any browser. First method to type C++ download and then hit enter. That's first link, official Microsoft website, so click on it. Scroll down, click. So it is started then, and then just single click to open, then click to yes. Now it is installing. Now this is updating and it will take some time. Then next click to start, type run and type percentage local app data percentage slash adopt slash cc x process, then hit enter. Okay, so after that go open these locations and delete this file. Okay, and then create new adobe file. Now then click to start, type cmd, right click to run as administrator, then click to yes, then type fsfc space slash scan now and then hit enter. After that it will start the percentage. So it will take some time and it is completed, then try to second one. This command I will give you in descriptions. Okay, use this one, same command, do not use another one. Okay, so first and second this, and after it's completed then restart your system. Okay, thank you.